Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the sawmill. We'll be sawing a little different species of wood today. I bought a load of walnut last week. A friend of mine that does tree work come by, said he had some and he's trying to clean up his yard, so went ahead and invested in it. It's not the best looking stuff, but there's 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 11 logs. 2 or 3 of them are extraordinary. 3 or 4 of them are less so, but we'll cut through them anyway. We're gonna cut these to, they all pretty close to 8'6", but we'll trim them down to 8'6", make nice clean stacks out of them. The intention for these is to cut 1.25 inches by whatever we can get, you know, for the best grade, and then we'll stick them in our kiln when we get back from a trip we got planned. But I also got some spalted maple behind them. I need to saw enough to run a customer order and then fill up the box with the rest of my maple and walnut, and we'll try to make a 20-25 day run out of a group 3 hardwood. More about that to come, but we appreciate you tuning back in, and let's make some black sawdust. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, we started cutting some boards out of that walnut. Now look at the grain on that stuff. That is gorgeous walnut. Okay. Yeah, those are 1 by 10 by 8'6" walnut boards. Not quite a number 1. You know, there's some little defects in there. A couple of them got some checks in the grain, but still some gorgeous wood. Anybody wants to build something, you know, you can't ask for no better than that. I cut it just a hair thick at 1 1/8 inches. That'll squeak out a 1-inch board for guys that are doing cabinets, and it'll guarantee a good 2-sided 3/4 inch board. You know, it's clear on both sides. You can build anything you want, short of a table. Now, if you want to do a table, we need something a little thicker, but these are going in the kiln, and they're going to go out to somebody that wants to purchase them and use them. So this is what I'm going to cut them at, 1 1/8 inches. So hang on, it's going to be, got a bunch of them to go through today, so let's get to it. Okay guys, it's time for a break. I've been taking my time. I got about 320 board feet of 1x10s, and the top 2 layers are 1x8s. But I don't know if you can see it good. Got this whole stack of flitches. They were leaning on the sawmill and they slid off, but I got all those, and after I run those through the edger, they'll all be 1x8, 1x6, and some 1x4s. So there's at least another 100, 150 feet there on the floor. The logs turned out better than I thought. Some of them got a little bit of heart check in them, but if you're woodworking, you're used to that kind of stuff. Just work around it, work with it, cut it out, whatever you got to do. But that's gonna be it for right now. I need to go get something to eat. I'll see you back at the mill in just a little bit. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, I got all the edging done, got all that caught up, so I think I got 5 more little logs out here we're gonna saw, and that'll be the end of the walnut. So okay guys, that's gonna do it today. Finally finished up the walnut. Best I could figure, what was that, 450? We had 585 board feet of walnut. 5 or 6 of those logs was pretty good. The last 3 or 4, they weren't great quality. Ended up with 4 and 5 inch wide boards, but they're decent boards. They can be used. But that's been a project today by myself, just taking my time, no big hurry. Just trying to get as good a quality of wood as we can out of that. I also like to thank Joe Maine for his Turbo 7 saw blades. They perform flawlessly, well, except for the nail I hit. Can't blame Joe for that one, but if you need saw blades, contact Joe Maine. His information will be in the description below. His corporate company is Industrial Cutting Tools. They can help you out with all your WoodMizer needs as far as blades. From all the rumbling I'm hearing around the country, it seems like several of these local WoodMizer dealers are getting out of the resharp business, so maybe a good time for you to look at buying a sharpener or setter. I bought one from Joe about a month ago. Matter of fact, sitting over the building, hadn't even opened the box yet. We've been so busy between catching up on sawing and the kiln build, but that's on the list. I hope for next week. I bought me a cart to put it on, is to bring it out and start sharpening blades, because if you look over here in the corner, I have a great deal of blades in inventory, but that hook is all dulls. They all need sharpened. I'm not out of blades by any means. I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 boxes of sharp, plus there's another box of Turbo 7s over in the corner that's sharp. So we got plenty of blades, but we're gonna break that sharpener out and get it tuned up and use it. So there'll be some good videos on that, I hope. I'm just like you, new guy, never used it, so we can learn together. Hopefully I can help you with that. But we appreciate you tuning in today, watching us cut this walnut, and it will be going in the kiln here within a month, I hope. It and some customer walnut and some maple I got to saw, so it'll be kind of a mixed load, and I'll try to remember to do a video on that, show you the whole process, maybe from start to finish. If you got any questions about sawing or kiln drying, just leave them in the comments below. If you would, click that notification icon. That'll help you get notified. YouTube will tell you, hey, Bearded Lumber put up a new video. If you would, we really appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys back at the mill. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.